Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Google One storage. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be on your phone, Windows desktop, or any devices that has a browser. Alright, now once you're in here, in the URL box, just type in one.google.com. Alright, once done, just hit on enter and you will be landed to your Google One's homepage. Alright. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you're logged in right here at the top right. Just go ahead and click on this one right here and make sure to logged in. Now, once logged in, as you can see, there's a button called upgrade right here. Just go ahead and click that. All right. And you will be landed to this page, which says try Google One at a discount. And as you can see here, there's monthly and annual. All right. If you want to do annual, just go ahead and click on this button right here. If you just want to do monthly, go ahead and click on this one right here. And as you can see, for an additional 100 gigs, you'll just pay about 30 US cents. All right, as you can see here. And for 2 terabyte, which has a great discount, you're just gonna only pay like $2 a month. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna get this one right here, the basic one, which is an additional 100 gigs. I'm gonna go ahead and use this button right here, get discount. All right, as you can see here, it will allow you to choose if you want to pay annually or monthly. All right, so I'm gonna select monthly just for this example. As you can see a pop-up, Google One terms of service, just hit on agree because I don't want to read through all of that. All right, as you can see here, another pop-up, 100 gigs of Google One. Upcoming charges, which will be today for the first month, 22.25 pesos. All right, basically again, it is 30 cents or 20, I don't know, might be 30. All right, and it will be paid by your Google Play account. As you can see here, you can go ahead and select the payment method right here. Just go ahead and add your card, your PayPal. All right. And here are more payment options available here. If you click on this one, pay on your phone. All right. Now it will ask you to go ahead and open up your phone and open up Play Store, as there will be a notification there. All right. From there, just go to the notifications, click on the particular notifications that will ask you to pay. Once done, pay for it and you're good to go. That's basically how you upgrade your Google One storage. And I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.